That was actually a piece of luck. We were looking for minerals to date these peculiar group of diamonds called super deep diamonds, but actually what we came across was a mineral that wasn't useful for dating, but it was, turns out, extremely useful for telling us about the water content of the deep earth. So most diamonds come from 150 to 200 kilometers depth. This group of super deep diamonds comes from between 400 and up to 700 kilometers depth, and so they have really unusual minerals that tell you a great deal about the earth at those depths. In fact, they're the only real samples of the earth at those depths. It's a critical piece of information about understanding the deep earth. Actually what it shows is that there's a zone in the earth that's very rich in water, and so either side of that zone you could really refer to the deep part of the earth, the mantle, as a desert in terms of water, and then there's this oasis in the transition zone that's got round about 1% water, which doesn't sound like a lot, but actually if you translate that into a mass of water, it's 3 times the mass of water that's in all the world's oceans. A lot of the experimentalists and the geophysicists that had been predicting the presence of this mineral ringwoodite and the fact that it had got water, I think were very pleased that it turns out they were right. In fact, the geophysicists had predicted the presence of a mineral like ringwoodite since the 1930s, but no one had ever been able to show that that really was the case. So this is the first piece of ringwoodite that anybody had ever been able to put their hands on. So it's kind of nice that in many ways it shows that often scientists get it right, which is nice to know.